This tutorial guides you through setting up your Bayzati email forwarding in Outlook. You will learn how to create a rule that automatically forwards your transaction emails to your dedicated Bayzati inbox. Click here to open the main Outlook settings menu. Click Rules to open the Rules configuration area. Click Add New Rule to start creating a custom email forwarding rule to automatically forward your transaction emails to your unique Bayzati inbox. Enter your rule name to identify it easily. Click here to add a condition. Click From to set the rule to apply to emails from a specific sender. Enter the bank's email address which sends you your transaction emails. For example, for Bank Sohar, enter alerts at sib.om, or for Bank Muscat, enter noreply at bankmuscat.com. Click here to add an action. Click Forward to set the rule to forward matching emails to your unique Bayzati inbox, which you can obtain from the Setting tab in your Bayzati mobile app. Enter your unique Bayzati email to specify where the emails should be sent. Click Save to activate the forwarding rule and apply it to incoming emails. You have successfully configured your automated expense tracking with Bayzati. To manage or modify this rule, revisit the rules settings in Outlook.